Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mel, and in today's video I have my top 5 favorite Halloween Rae Dunn. So as you guys might have known, it is time for Halloween Rae Dunn hunting season. It is in full effect, and I wanted to share with you guys my top 5 favorite Halloween items from Rae Dunn, and it is a collab video with Shorty Tam, Nana Natasha, It's Tish Time, Felicia's Loves, and your girl Lisa Lynette. Okay, before I start, I don't have a lot of Halloween Rae Dunn items. I just started collecting Halloween stuff last year, and for some reason where I'm at, we didn't get as much Rae Dunn pieces, so I have a couple more that I still have packed away, but I have taken out my 5 favorite pieces with an extra one that I wanted to share with you guys because I really do love it. And have you guys been seeing all of the new Rae Dunn stuff? They are bringing, oh my gosh y'all, they are bringing back some of the OG, I'm not sure if it's the OG ones with all the dimples and stuff, but they're recirculating the white boo. And oh, listen, I'll talk to y'all after, but let's get into the video. So my first piece is my Hocus Pocus Halloween cat canister. Yes, I have 2 of these. I have the one with the purple ribbon, and I do have this one. It is empty, it is huge, and I really love it. I gotten both of them because I wanted to display something, but I might be looking for the ribbon, another black one, and I might give away the one with the purple ribbon because I think the black and the white is more classic. So this is probably why I'm just going to be looking for another one with the black ribbon and give away the one with the purple ribbon. But this is my number 5. It is the Hocus Pocus canister hat. My potion cauldron. Yes, I had found 2 of these. I took the rubber section off because this wasn't closing, but I gave a Dunn Bunny one because a Dunn Buddy one because she was looking for one last year, and I kept one for myself. This is so good. This was the only one that I could find of the cauldron line, and I'm glad that I found it, and I'm loving it. It's the potion cauldron. This mug, it's a mug, and it's the Fright Night mug. You guys remember that movie? And look, it has the candy corns watermark on here as well. But do you guys remember this movie, Fright Night? I don't remember it completely, but I know there is a movie called Fright Night, and it has the orange inside. I love this orange. It is so pretty. It is super pretty. And yeah, this is my number. Drink Up Witches. Yes, my Drink Up Witches mug. It has the beautiful purple inside and is black matted, and it has a lot of pinholes in it, but I still do like it. Has the white writing, and I found a couple of these, but I only picked up one last year, and I was super excited because I wasn't finding any Halloween last year. So any Halloween I found, I grab and I run really fast to the cash register. So it is Drink Up Witches. It is my orange Happy Halloween mug. You guys, this mug is so pretty. This color is super pretty. I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice, but it is a super pretty mug. This is my favorite piece, and I know you guys know I love my candy coma, but I couldn't bring that back to y'all, so I have to show you my second favorite piece is the orange Halloween mug. And I know I did my 5 already, but I wanted to share with you guys another piece that I couldn't add into, so I just wanted to give y'all a good, is my Happy Halloween canister with the black handle. This came out last year. It's better than nothing. I was thankful for it. I was thankful for finding it, because you know, at that time the white OG Halloween canister was not recirculating, and the black one isn't at that time circulating, but now they are. Y'all, I am super excited for this Halloween, and I'm praying that I get my hands on some of the goodies that are out there. I hope New York comes through this year, because last year was a bust, and I was kind of not upset but kind of sad, because I really liked some pieces, some mugs. I didn't get any of the green, the purple, none of those mugs. They did not hit New York at all. So hopefully they'll come back again here this year, because everything has died down and things are flowing. So hopefully I get my hands on some of those. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoy my Halloween top 5 favorite pieces. And don't forget to head over to Shorty Tam, Lisa Lynette, Felicia's Love, It's Tish Time, and Nana Natasha's channel to check out their Halloween top 5 favorites. And again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to know when I upload a next video for you guys to watch. And be safe, be blessed,